I wonder kumbe.
I wonder kumbe. Hey!
Oh boy.
Ka kuku.
Pero na kalau mo yebes. Ama ka mo pa siya. Udah ada gono.
Wait till they laugh now.
Where you dey come from?
Never can say Ajo. What you say?
Can you imagine? Imagine what?
My brother just go open account for people to steal my money.
Your brother open account.
Eh?
Yeah, we my pose on.
Now I reach this morning, I say make I carry this key. Make I carry this key. Go lock him.
Oh, wait, you don't even back correct padlock. So wait. You want to go and lock the account that your brother opened for you?
Yeah, I'm
With the padlock.
To close it.
Hey!
They laugh now.
You carry key, go for bank, go lock the account where your brother open.
Make I lock him. I never lock him. They no gree make I lock him. I won't lock him. They no gree. I won't lock that account so that thing go dey close. But they know the bank manager. If you say that man, now him follow convince my brother make him open the account. So that they go dey
Wait, you even get locked there, they for arrest you. Because as they see you, you know sabi anything.
I can't about that fact.
To open account, you know say everything that now don't go digital. No be law, no be to open door, close door.
Yeah,
what thing they do.
Uzo, if we pay me.
We open that and only money go there inside that place. You go put money. You know the money they go, your brother go the wire. Fear, bam. The money go enter inside your account. No be like say I should open gate to enter. No be like that. You think say everything na go inside bush. Carry catapult, carry gun. Shoot umbana, shoot pala. No. No be like that. Wait, how much your brother put inside that account?
Nah, 500,000.
Hey! Good brother like a good friend. See, that your brother like you. That your brother and a good person like we will be your friend. That your brother like you very well. That means if 500,000 naira can enter inside that account, that means you supposed to put all your money inside that place. No, they hide them for grand. One day, all these animals where you the kill, you know, send a grand they sleep. No be boo. Those mother where you don't send a grand. One day they go dig them, chop them. They go dig them every week. They go dig them. They go come meeting one day for you. Now inside bank is supposed to put your account. What can I tell you? That is why where you know.
So you want tell me say I go carry all my money they put there.
Bam!
Make I tell now. Open now open. Close now close. Simple.
Meaning waiting.
Meaning say that I can do open now.
You go close them.
I go close them.
Hey!
Yeah, by the way,
Hey!
because when you can't in an island,
You want carry the meat. You want carry the meat to go out.
the thing that is there for my mind is very tongue. This is
What is this? Give us our own chair. No, do.
this is
No meat.
yeah.
Not meat.
Never meet. Now what you mean? I just say I anybody know you as
You don't concern wetin dey inside here. You don't concern na wetin dey.
I beg, no do this then.
back with you now.
Give us.
When I want see am.
Not be see at all. If you say my mouth, I don't want to say. Yeah, I'm not.
Okay. Now just to look, make you no touch am o.
More here.
Now two of us go see him.
And I'm more.
Make
One by one. Aya you see. Look.
Hey!
Aya you. Maybe I don't say.
You get how they took use cucumber now. You never chop am.
No. Yeah. Oh.
See, make I tell you something. If you want to know, when I come.
No, this one they be surprising.
Come on. If
And that cucumber they two sizes.
if you come say why na I can grow.
No, the meat. It must be meat. You want to take am garnish.
Meat you
You
can
go jump.
Hey!
You go say anybody when they do this kind of thing, they go, they submit.
Oh, na tia mo me head.
No, he said, "Make we dey come, make we dey go." Hey, Malakuku, wait.
I'm not kumba dai. Kumataku.